That was good. What was that?
What the?
What the hell? No one's home. What the hell was that? What? What the? What does that say?
The perfect DNA open for a surprise.
Should we bring it in?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't grab it. Can you grab it? What the hell?
This is weird. What is this?
Oh my gosh. Put it on the table. Open it. You got scissors?
I got this.
Okay. Open it and find out. What the heck? What? What's going on, everybody? It is the Perfect DNA and we are back with yet another lit video. For those of you who are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn those post notifications on, and join the family tree. But for those of you who are already a part of our DNA, I want you to smash that like button. In this video, we are going to attempt the Spicy Noodle Challenge. Just a little background about the Spicy Noodle Challenge. It is a challenge that went viral in South Korea about these people trying to attempt to eat these hot, flaming noodles.
I have no idea why anybody would even want to try to attempt this, but it went viral for some reason.
The challenge is to try to eat the noodles as fast as possible without drinking any form of liquid. So in today's video, we have a timer set for 3 minutes. No liquid, no stopping, no nothing, and we're going to see who eats the most. I sweat eating hot Cheetos, so this is gonna...
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be interesting.
And he thinks he's gonna be able to beat me, like, please.
So in season 2, we're going to start a new thing about challenges. Say for instance, this is our first challenge, so if I win the challenge, I get a point. Our next challenge, if Diana wins, she gets a point, and the first one to so many points wins. And the reward will be satisfying.
Yeah.
Something huge, so.
So if you're Team Diana, comment down below with the hashtag Team Diana.
And if you're Team Austin, like this video and comment an orange heart because you already know the boy is gonna win.
Okay. So what we're gonna do right now is, we got the package right here. What?
I'm already sweating looking at them.
So we're gonna heat them up.
Why are they so big? Hot chicken, they're chicken flavor though, so that's
I'm
good.
so happy.
Good protein, good protein.
So we got the 2X spicy because everybody says that's the best.
I don't know if you guys see the pepper or not. Right there, he just looks demonic. He looks evil.
So let's open it up and see what's inside. So you got your typical noodles. That's good. So you see the sauce in here.
Oh my gosh.
I'm guessing this is a sauce that we're gonna be putting in there. But then there's like another, I think this one's the chili powder. Yeah, this is like the chili powder that like makes it spicy.
We don't need that though, right?
This is the whole point.
So we're going to prepare the noodles and then we'll have them ready for you.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back.
And I'm nervous. We got the noodles prepared. We haven't dipped the sauce in yet. We wanted to make sure you guys saw that.
First we're gonna do the powder. It's like stiffen it. See what it smells like.
I don't want to know. Don't make a face.
Honestly, it doesn't smell like anything.
It smells like a bad freaking digestion.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Hopefully I'm not allergic to this.
Oh, baloney.
Oh, I am allergic. I can't do it. I'm allergic. No. I'm shaking right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. I usually not nervous.
I think I heard this one smells really strong. Yep, this is it.
Okay, it's going in there for you guys. I'm getting it all in.
Oh my gosh, this is so dark.
I don't even think it's gonna look good. Alright, we're gonna mix it up.
It kind of looks like soy sauce. I hope it tastes like soy sauce.
It's strong, guys.
Wait, how come yours is lighter than mine?
Mine is not lighter. Yours is lighter. You gotta mix it up. Look at all my dark. Look at all this. Oh, hell no. Oh, no.
No, you can't taste it.
Oh, I just licked it. Holy sh!
I'm trying.
Diana has a head start. That's not fair.
You did it yourself. So how long?
That's hot as...
Come on.
I'm already sweating. We got 3 minutes. On the clock. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Get set. Go. I'm not even hungry.
I can't eat another one.
I can't do it. Woo! We good?
I'm freaking crying.
Bite number bite number
I can't do this.
Are you done? Are you done? My tears. Oh, guys, this is not. Don't underestimate this.
I can't do this.
You done?
Truth?
That's a dub. That's a dub.
I think my nose is bleeding.
Guys, as you can tell, the timer, we didn't even last 3 minutes. As you can tell, that was a fail, but I did eat 3 bites. Diana only ate 1. Wow, my mouth is on fire. Oh my gosh, can I have some? Dude, holy sh**.
I'm never doing that again.
If you liked this video and commented an orange heart because you were Team Austin, you were correct. The boy won, so that's 1 point for me.
No, this is some spicy. I can't even talk.
Guys, shout out to you all who did the spicy noodle challenge and completed it, because this burns. So that's it for today's challenge video. If you guys like this video, so that's it for today's video. You
See, we can't even talk. This is how bad it is. My taste buds. My taste buds are burning. I'm freaking dying.
the ha. So that's it for today's video. You know when people eat something spicy, they just laugh out of nowhere?
It's the pain. Don't let it fool you. Oh.
So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the spicy noodle challenge attempt, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down any other challenges you guys would like to see us do in the future. If you thought I was gonna win, smash that like button, man.
This was a major fail.
Oh, this is terrible.
Okay, just stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you guys in our next video, alright? Peace.